Come on, shoot this guy. Wait a minute, hold it. Where's the pencil?
I got the camera. Fuck the pencil.
No, we gotta have a
I'm videotaping it. Oh my god!
Cocksucker.
Oh god!
He's videoing it.
Yeah,
He's got it on video.
Yeah, I'm recording this fucking shit. Get back, please, Don.
Come on now. You better get in the other room.
I can't plug my ears though.
Do it. Holy fuck.
Oh no,
Get back here.
no.
Here we go.
Oh my god.
God, you're too close. You're too close.
No.
You gotta step back a little further. There's no pattern there.
Oh my god.
Look at that fucking wall.
Shoot that fucker.
Okay, I'm gonna crawl inside. You see?
Hey, you're in the video.
Dave,
No.
inside. I want 3 shots in this cock.
It didn't even go through.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, yeah, it did. Holy fuck! I gotta take a picture of this shit.
Dave,
There you go.
Dave, you barely hit out here. You got a little dent here.
Look at all the BBs laying down there.
Oh my god.
You're gonna be fucking shooting out.
Uh-oh.
Let's do that, Don. Come on, Don.
I don't
Come on, Don. To the top.
I
To the
don't
fucking top.
I don't think DOT meant, bullets.
Now do a circle. Do a circle.
No, I gotta have a target.
Okay.
Oh god. Hey, hang on a second.
Get on camera.
What about the radio?
Fuck
Guys,
the
gotta get in the other room.
Oh god.
I'm in the other room.
Alright.
Oh god.
Back here.
Only Goudreau. Only fucking Goudreau.
Dave,
Thank you. No, there you go.
come on, let's get some film going here.
Oh
No,
no.
you gotta be in here. You gotta stand in
Yeah, you gotta stay in there. You don't want to
You gotta
spread.
stay in there.
You don't
We're
want
out here.
Stay in here. I gotta back up. I want to hit the target.
No. No, you're gonna take out the window.
Roast it, Don.
Oh god.
Back your ass. Hey, come on. What the fuck?
You were way off.
The fuck? What the hell is this?
He told me to
Get
clear
me
up
the
here.
gun.
Oh.
Woohoo, look at the babies in here. He told me to don't hit the radio.
Oh,
Get the fuck off that shell. Do not do that.
No, come on, don't. I don't want nobody to get fucking hurt, man.
Don't let him shoot it, man.
Don't.
Outside, that's one thing, but inside, you want some kind of control.
What's he doing?
He's cutting open the fucking shell.
Yeah.
Taking the BBs out?
No.
No, he's splitting it up, so.
Open it so it opens quicker.
Yeah. You don't want to.
He'll
Yeah,
take
you
a
can hear the
fucking window
babies.
He's taking a lot.
Take the babies out and listen shoot.
The wad. Shotgun's right here, dude.
What?
You shoot it, Dave?
no, who's next?
You are.
Not
There's
me.
2 X's.
I'll shoot after you do.
No, I'll shoot after you.
Where's my helmet?
We gotta give you
A
a.
helmet.
Let me give you a shell, Dan.
Wait till Wandercheck sees these pictures. He'll wish he'd came.
This is how we take care of refrigerators.
Dan.
Let me get the fuck behind you here, dude.
Get on the camera.
Shoot away.
Let me just before you even just let me.
this one. Holy fuck.
Okay.
I told him to cut it off.
I did.
You cut this fucker in the wrong spot.
Damn.
You loaded?
No. Come on, ain't got all day. Yeah, we got all weekend. Oh, weekend's over, ain't it? Yeah. You ain't got all day.
Hang
I
on.
don't think you have it on, do you?
Yeah, I had it. I fucking pushed the wrong
We
button.
get that fucking big trout out of that lake, we're coming back, Rod.
Yeah.
Okay.
I cut my shell in the wrong fucking spot.
You cut yourself?
All clear, Saul?
Saul?
I'm cutting wrong spot.
I'm good.
Where's Saul?
He's in the left bedroom.
Are we ready?
Go.
We're ready.
Fire the hole!
Fire in the hole! Top. Fire in the hole!
Bye.
wiggled a little bit.
Do I get the top one then?
Holy shit, that blows a hole. You want the top one?
I'll take the top one. What the hell? Only in Canada.
Fucking drunk. So what you mean?
You ever shoot a what?
Yeah, I've got a lot.
What?
Fucking shoulders gonna be black and blue now.
Oh yeah, that's what you. That's
Step back. Step back. Step back. Step back. Okay.
Hang on. Would you look at me for a minute? Hang on. Smile. Okay.
Yeah, only in good rope.
We're shooting at the fucking fridge. Hey! If you don't hit the fucking mark, I'm gonna fucking rack ya! Woo! Ah! Turn around! Turn around, man!
Oh shit!
You fucking did it! The only fucking guy that did it!
Sorry.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
Hey,
about!
wait a minute! Don't turn it. You gotta put another X on it for Dave.
Let's do a center X.
That's a badass. Yeah, that one's. So I was trying to miss the fucking table with my bad. Well, you stand there and look at the cocksucker.
Yeah, but I was trying to miss the radio too. Everybody's got a fucking excuse.
Yeah.
Oh,
But Sal.
Mine, I fired it from the hip. That's my.
Saul.
It's okay.
Sal. They just call me hate you.
That's.
you gotta shoot, Dave. You are the only one that hasn't shot. Get your ass over there and shoot.
Come on, Dave. We'll help you.
Come on, Dave. We'll
I'm good. You're good? Okay. I'll put it away.
Oh no, give me another shot then. Fuck that. I want to shoot.
You won't see the fucker.
Check that shit out.
Perfect.
Look at the bottom one. There's a
Come
lot
out
of
the
DDs
side.
in the wall.
The helmet's in the way.